Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how you can sign up for ClickUp. And yes, we will also talk about the free version and what you get in that. If you have heard about ClickUp but didn't know how to start, or if you are wondering whether ClickUp is actually free or not, this is the perfect video for you. Also, don't forget to check the description below because I have added the official ClickUp link and any important updates in case sign up steps or feature changes in the future. Now let's get started. So first of all, let's clear the most common question: is ClickUp free? Yes, ClickUp actually has a 100% free plan. You don't have to enter any credit card to start, and it's not just a trial, it's a real free forever plan. This free version is great for people who want to manage tasks, plan work, collaborate with others, or just stay more organized, whether you are working solo or with a small team. ClickUp free plan gives you enough tool to get started and stay more productive. So all right, now let's talk about how to sign up in ClickUp for free. It's actually super easy and it doesn't take more than a couple of minutes. Just follow these steps along with me and pause the video if you are doing at the same time. First of all, you will be here on the ClickUp website and just click on this get started for free. Now just enter your email address here. I'm just typing and click on next. But if you have any problem to get on this right website, the description, the link in the description below, so you can use the link to sign up for free. So after that, you will be redirected on this page, and now what you have to do, so write your full name here, write your email address and set your password. After that, just click on this play with ClickUp, and now check your Gmail account because it will send a code or link. So you just click on this, go to verify, or you can use the code also. Okay, so as you can see, the ClickUp sign up process is completed and it will ask you to set up your profile. I'm just clicking this personal, do this fast for this video, and set up your profile according to your needs and preferences. And here you can organize your all of your work inside this space. You can create folder, list and task. It's very flexible. You can add due dates, comment, checklist, even subtask. Everything is easy to move and edit. And again, you can do all of this on the free plan without needing to pay anything. So that's how you can sign up for ClickUp and start using the free plan. It's quick, simple, and honestly, once you get used to it, it makes organizing work much better. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video help you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.